What's up everyone? Today we have this AKG K712 Pro open back headphones. Got these for about $250 on Amazon. They're on sale normally around what, $275 or something, $275 or $300, somewhere around there. But yep, here they are. Reading off some quick specs. It's open back dynamic headphones, sensitivity of 105 decibels per volt, 62 ohms, and it has a detachable cable. So these are really nice. They're just below their ultra high-end headphones that cost what, $1,000 or something. Or is that the model number? That was 1,000 something. Anyway, this is one of their best. And for reference, here's where it's made, because some reviews did say something about it's not made in Austria anymore, so it's lower quality or something like that. I don't know, or some things just weren't the same or something like that. Anyway, that's where mine were made. That is in case the glare of the thing was designed and engineered in Austria by AKG Acoustics, made in Slovakia. Okay. Cool. Oh, it's got a leather headband. Okay. Genuine leather headband. Additional coiled cable. Interesting. So I thought I only had the 3-meter cable. Flat wire voice coil. High dynamic range. Patented Varimotion two-layer diaphragm. Lightweight and comfortable fit. 3 decibels improved low end, so it's got better bass than whatever they're comparing it to. Then the reference of it says expect on in the box. It's got a Velcro style clasp, and it says and discover, so it would say expect and discover. Cool. There's nothing in here, right? I don't think so. It's not a pocket that holds anything. You get a headphone bag, which is this velvet or velour kind of thing, and then the inside is this. A soft bag for putting the headphones in when you're not using them. You get a sticker, it looks like. Yeah, looks to be. Warranty card. Hazardous substances. Just by the way, here you go if you're interested. Here is the coiled cable. Which is the one I will likely be using. It's got a mini XLR looking connector. And then it terminates in 3.5 millimeter, but you can screw on the 1/4-inch adapter. Okay. Here are the headphones themselves. Got massive space for your ears. Look at that. You have really big ears and they'll probably fit. It's got an infinitely adjustable headband. And then here's that 3-meter cable that they're talking about. That's a bit long as my amp is right in front of me. But I understand it's for like plugging it into, I don't know, a mixing desk or something like that. I don't own one, but I think that's what they intend. So I'm going to take off the screw-on adapter, keep this somewhere in case I put my amp further away, and put it here. And we'll see how it does. Okay, plug it in. AKG reference headphone, K712. logo right up there, and says the same thing on the other side. So the cable is on the left side. How do they fit? They're lightweight, they're pretty comfy. I can't hear myself talk that much, although I still can, obviously, as it's open back. The coiled cable is just the right length. And yeah, pretty good. You'll see the swivel in the ear cups. Pretty good there as well. Up, down, side to side. So pretty flexible. Just has these two orange tubes going across. Headband's nice. Like I said, infinitely adjustable, so it'll fit a lot of people's ears. Alright, so anything else under here? I don't think so, right? Anything in here, or is that just filler? It's just filler. Put that back. So what it actually intends to say is expect and discover perfection. I really do hope it's perfection. I paid $250 for this thing. Well, as noise is subjective, not suggestive. Well, okay, some can be, but whatever. You get what I'm saying. It's a subjective topic. It depends on who's listening, who's wearing the headphones, what music is playing, all that. This is just an unboxing. I wanted to say that at the beginning, but I forgot. And not really much of a review. So that's what you get in the box. That's what you see when you open the box. And that's all. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you found it helpful to understand what you might receive when you order one of these. At least brand new. This one was brand new when I got it. So there it is. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.